Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer Samsung notes from old phone to new phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let's say that this is my old phone and I'm going to transfer my Samsung notes to my new phone. Okay, first of all, we need to go to our Samsung Galaxy Notes app on our old phone, and then we're going to select the notes we want to transfer. If you want to select all your notes, you can tap and hold on the first note or on one of the notes, and then you can click on select all here. But you need to remember guys that we can only transfer the unlocked notes. So make sure you have unlocked all of your notes before you transfer it. Okay, I'm just going to choose some of them since we can only transfer the unlocked notes. Here I'm going to choose the unlocked notes in my Samsung Galaxy Notes. Okay. And once you're done selecting the notes you want to transfer, you can click on share. And here you can share note as Samsung Notes file, PDF file, Microsoft Word file, Microsoft PowerPoint file, image file, or text file. And I recommend you to choose this one guys, Samsung Notes file, because you will be able to open the notes with the same format in your Samsung Galaxy Notes on your new phone. So you can choose the Samsung Notes file. Okay, and then you can choose the method you want to use to transfer the Samsung Notes. I recommend you to choose the quick share, but actually Bluetooth will be the alternative if you can't use this quick share. The Bluetooth is good as well, but I'm going to choose the quick share because it will be faster and easier using the quick share. Okay, and you need to turn on your Bluetooth and also the Wi-Fi, and then you need to turn on the quick share on your new phone as well. And after you turn on the quick share on your new phone, the new phone device's name will appear here, and then you just need to tap on the device's name and you'll be able to transfer it. Right after you click on the device name, the transferring process will be started. Okay guys, and that's all the way to transfer Samsung Note from old phone to new phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!